What is the meaning of the word break? As a noun, an unexpected piece of good luck. The occurrence of breaking. An abrupt change in the tone or register of the voice, as at puberty or due to emotion. The opening shot that scatters the balls in billiards or pool. Tennis, a score consisting of winning a game when your opponent was serving. An act of delaying or interrupting the continuity. A sudden dash. An escape from jail. Examples of use. He finally got his big break. The break in the dam threatened the valley. Then there was a break in her voice. As a verb. Become separated into pieces or fragments. Render inoperable or ineffective. Ruin completely. Destroy the integrity of. Usually by force. Cause to separate into pieces or fragments. Move away or escape suddenly. Scatter or part. Force out or release suddenly and often violently something penned up. Prevent completion. Come into being. Interrupt a continued activity. Make a rupture in the ranks of the enemy or one's own by quitting or fleeing. Curl over and fall apart in surf or foamed of waves. Examples of use. Nobody can break out, this prison is high security. Break off the negotiations. If the new teacher won't break, we'll add some stress. Break is spelled B-R-E-A-K. Break.